Good morning to all. I am Masanam. My educational qualification is DTEd and MA BEd in History. My educational experience is 8 years. My native district is Nellai. My second hometown is Dharmaburi. Past 10 years I am residing in Dharmaburi. I am working in Panchayat Union Primary School, Vallur, Panagaram Block in Dharmaburi district. Our school is a Tamil medium school. 36 students are studying in our primary school. Our training, zero investment, innovative for educational initiatives. Facilitator, Mr. Manigandan sir. He explained the national educational policies, NCF, and how to prepare the online educational training tools. He explained very well in the introduction class. And also the lesson plans based on the Bloom's taxonomy he explained. And the first module, the first lesson plan, my unique family. In this lesson plan, our facilitator explained how to prepare the family chart. And he instructed to the participating teachers also create the family chart. And the next module, Mango Round the Year. Next lesson plan, Mango Round the Year. In this topic, he described how to avoid the food spoilage, how to prepare the food, how to preservative. He explained very interesting. Next lesson plan is Wonders and Imagination. Our facilitator asked to the participating teachers to draw something and asked to show the online training and asked the next teachers to what is that. The training is very interesting and lively. And the next lesson plan, enlarging the large numbers. In this lesson plan, he explained the face value of the numbers and gave one game, Who Am I? That is very interesting. He said some points, 1 or 2 points, and asked, Who am I? That is very interesting. And also, he explained online implementation, parental guideline, classroom implementation. That is very interesting, very well. And also, the next lesson plan is COVID-19 awareness and understanding. In this lesson plan, facilitator explained how the COVID-19 virus spread and where it is originated from Wuhan to all over the world. What is the preventive measures to be taken? The social distance and face mask and hand washing with soap or sanitizers. He explained very well. We are most like all the classes. Manigandan sir is conducting the classes is very interesting and the students the teachers participation is very good. All the teachers are participate with interesting. And next, the multicultural of food. We know in Tamil Nadu the food is different. In the North India the food is different. In each state food habit is very different. We know. He explained the multicultural of food very well. And our school is a Tamil medium school. So our student is facing English is very challenging. So we are doing how to rectify, how to remedy the English language. So I and my HM madam also deciding to create the word wall. 2-letter words are separately, 3-letter words are separately, 4-letter words are separately. We are writing and the word wall, and we are instructed the students to read daily the word wall. And after that, the students are improved. We are finding the progress in English is very good. Now we are satisfaction in English language. So we are solution this problem. We are creating the word wall, and we are using the speakers to using the computer to see and hear the English words. We are rectifying the problems. Our zero investment innovative education and the IP innovative Pasala class is very useful in the pandemic situation. If any crisis occur in future, how to teach the students in this type of crisis situations is very useful. This training. How to remedy the learning losses. So the program, the online training arranged by Sri Aurobindo Society and the HDFC Bank, both of you, very thank you. Thank you, our facilitator. Thank you, my colleague teachers. Thank you so much.